In this quick Canva tutorial, we're looking at Create with Rose at Rose Dallas now. What will we truly be looking at here? We're going to be looking at Canva's coolest new feature that I'm having a lot of fun with this morning. But first of all, in case you don't know what Canva is and you're saying, what is Canva? You've seen Canva here, there, and everywhere online. Canva is simply a free to use online graphic design tool. It's used to create social media posts, presentation, posters, videos, logos, and more. Like this here, I'm creating a video for YouTube right here in my Pro Canva account. Canva also has a paid version called Canva Pro. However, you can use the free version to accomplish your designing goals. I personally prefer the Pro version as I like the features like background remover and the image resizer that comes with the Pro version, and so many other cool benefits that you and your team, or if you're solo, could enjoy. Now be sure to subscribe. Just hit that subscription button and be sure to ring that bell so that you get future updates. And what are you creating on Canva? Now, we're going to be looking at this new text feature, the new text maker, right here on the left hand menu. When you click on this, it says text maker. Now, this is one of my favorite elements in graphic design, typography. I may not be pronouncing that right with my Jamaican accent, but you know what? That's okay. I love playing with text. I mean, even this morning after 5 a.m., I was writing on a napkin ideas for my brand new business that I'm working on, blessed to be working on. So we're over here. This is the text maker. Okay, this is the preview window. You have the different fonts here, the different effects, and you could click on them and see what they entail. Okay, I'm gonna click on what I'm calling my favorite so far, which is the neon. I love the glow fonts, and this is what they look like. So you will see these, especially on my YouTube thumbnails. This work right here, create with Rose, this was created using the text maker this morning. New text maker at Rose Dallas now. These also were created using the text maker feature that were in here in Canva. So this canvas right here, I left this blank on purpose to give you a preview of what that looked like. Now bear in mind, this is brand new. So you see here again, this is a preview window. We're going to go ahead and put something here. So let me encourage you this morning to say you, uppercase, you can do it. Okay? You can start a home-based business. You can build out your YouTube channel. I'm going to go ahead and select the font, the Carla font. We're going to also look at that spacing, but before I do that, let's go ahead and we're going to change it to the glow. Okay, I'm going to try this one here, the pink neon. Okay, and we're going to adjust the line height, and if you see that in the preview window, it did change right there. You could also adjust the letter spacing. I mean, for those of you who have an eye for design and you love type like I do, I mean, this is like a kid in a candy store. We click add this to design, and there it is. You know what will be cool? And you never know, they may come out with it one day, is like this here, this preview window would have been right here on the canvas as you're working on it. But we'll work on this. This is great. So this is it. You can do it. You can do it. What is it that you're struggling with right now? Where are you in your home-based business? Do not give up. Be confident. Rest assured that you can do it. I myself, I'm blessed to be working on my very own business, right? And The encouragement that I give to you, I give to myself. I can, I will, okay? And I just want to encourage you that you can too. This again is my business that I'm working on. What is it that you're working on? And these logos were actually made here in Canva. I'll do a tutorial on that in the future. But for today, we're looking at the text maker. So I'm going to go ahead and add something here. So remember, you can do it. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't. Okay? And I love this font here. Uh, If I go with this font right now, I would need to change my background color. You do see that it's purple, so we're gonna need something that complement that. Let me look at that. So let's go ahead and we're gonna add it to design. I'm gonna make that larger, and I think I'm gonna need to change my background color to hot pink, okay? And I'm gonna go with this logo. Make my logo a little bit smaller and put that there. And this is just again showing you how cool that text feature is. Now, this thumbnail right here was designed using this cool text feature here in Canva. And this is my photo that you'd pretty much just upload using the upload feature. And I'll make other tutorials showing you how to do these things like I did. I uploaded this photo, removed the background, and also how to add effects to your work. And I'll make other tutorials showing how to do that. I do want to go ahead and add some music to my work, and this is from Epidemic Sound, and we will just go ahead and so I thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.